Hi honey bunnies! Today's video I'm going to be doing this hopefully Ariana Grande inspired look. Also a vlog of going to her concert in Chicago. I'm like super proud of it in the way that it came out. I think that it genuinely embodies like how she's been doing her makeup recently. And I personally love it. I feel great. I feel like a mini Ariana Grande. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look and what makeup products I used to actually get her look, go ahead and keep on watching. Oh, what? 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 What are you doing, Patchy? What are you doing, Patchy? What are you doing, Patchy? You're a star, baby. Oh, you're a star. Look at... You're standing on your legs. You're a star. You're a star, you're a star, you're a star, you're a star. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started and do eyeshadow. A lot of the looks that I was looking at that Ariana likes to do is like very simple looks usually with her eyeshadow. So that is perfect for me because I'm lazy queen. So I'm just gonna be doing this look. I'll like put a picture up, but like honestly it looks like a light dusting of like a soft pinkish. Like some shadow with a little pink tint to it, and I'm going to be using Dusty Rose in a soft glam palette, and I'm just going to be basically applying that to the crease, and that is the only shadow I'm going to be using. Sometimes I do get wild and I end up like just switching what I was going to do and start doing something else, so if I do, I'll update you. But for now, I'm just going to be literally putting this into the crease very lightly because I don't want the color to show up too much. And normally I would like to take my shadow higher, but hers seems like, again, very soft and simple. So I'm just going to keep it around the natural shape of my eye. And of course, I'm going to be doing her iconic wing. That's pretty much the eye look. And also I was really thinking about changing my shirt. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm in like a Christmas turtleneck. And yeah, it is June. But I swear this is my favorite shirt in the whole world. I thrive in this shirt. I feel the most comfortable in the shirt. It's actually a really funny story how I got this shirt. Maybe I could say a story. I kind of be exposing myself, and I don't really feel like exposing myself. And at first I was like, wow, I should really change out of this, you know, string light turtleneck because I'm gonna film a video. So let me look presentable. Let me put something cute on. And then I was like, nah, let me be real. I'm just gonna be real. This is what I like, this is what I love. I was like, nah, keep that shit on. That's cute. Next, so eyes done, very simple, I love. Next for foundation, I'm going to be using my go-to for like, I need my makeup to like last all day and look good all night, is the Maybelline foundation. I'm in the shade 120 Classic Ivory for right now, the Superstay foundation. I personally think that it lasts very well and it doesn't look nasty at the end of like a long day. It's a reliable foundation and it's also affordable, so you really can't beat this. And every time I literally go to the store with my friends, like, I have to point this out because it's that good. Next, I'm going to conceal under my eyes. I'm going to be using the Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer by Laura Mercier. I got like a little peachy tint to this one. Also, ladies, please hydrate your eyes because this eye right here, I don't know if it's allergies or whatever, but I'm starting to get dry and crusty on the lids of my eyes. I have eczema. Moisturize your face, take off your makeup at night. Stuff that I have not been doing, unfortunately, and there is consequences, serious consequences, because now I have crusty eyeshadow. If you're probably looking extra close, ew, yeah, I look nasty. Thank the Lord that you're not seeing it in person because it's gross. Next for bronzer, I'm going to be using, this is my favorite bronzer at the moment. It's the Elle Forever Sunkissed bronzer. It's like easy to blend out, so it's not like you can like overdo it on the pigment right away. I especially like this bronzer because when I'm not wearing foundation, it doesn't look like super heavy or super like, whoa, it's a lot of like contour you're trying to do there. So when I don't do a full face, it still looks like natural, like, oh, I look bronzed and not like, oh, that's too much. So now I just simply penguin. I just simply baked my face and my cheeks and everything else. So all these areas I just kind of baked. To be honest with you guys, I never do this, but you know, I've been starting to like kind of practice. Ariana doesn't look like she's wearing a lot of makeup for the most of the time. It looks like it's very like soft and like natural. Her bronzer is like always snatched and super bronzy. So I was like, I'm gonna do that too. Okay, so I'm back and I finished my full face. I kind of just got carried away because I don't know how long the vlog is gonna be, but here's the finished look. I used the BESTIE'S blush, a highlighter from Pixie, and a little bit of MAC, and ColourPop liner. I put Kylie in the Liquid Lip Angel on the lip, and I used the NARS Climax mascara, and I just curled my lashes. I think I'm gonna add falsies later, but for the time being, like, this is the look, and I'm gonna straighten my hair. But yeah, this is the final look, the final product. I love it, and I think that I've improved so much from my last time. It wasn't even last year's Ariana Grande look. As far as this part of the video, mwah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you think that it looks like kinda like her. Yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, and I hope you guys get to enjoy the rest of the video slash vlog. And I hope you guys like my shirt. So I'm so excited today. I finally get to see Ariana Grande in concert, and today's June 4th. So I started off the day with just doing a face mask because I've been breaking out like crazy around my nose and even like right above my lip. And I'm not sure if the double Estee Lauder Double Wear foundation has been breaking me out into little tiny bumps on my forehead. And they're not like, these are breakouts like, you know, they're just like big pimples. Okay, not big, but like small, and I can tell. But like here is like different from these, so I'm like kind of concerned about that. But anyways, yeah, I may or may not try to do like a little vlog, maybe not. So I'm starting off the day and possibly get something to eat. So I will check in with you guys later, and I'm sorry, my double chin looks terrible. I didn't mean to offend you with my double chin. Are you so excited?
Very excited.
We're so excited. We finally found our seats, and like we're really close. Like the stages are right here, like floor seats. Like what, 1, 2, 3, 3 rows, and then us. And we got to buy a shirt. You want to show my shirt? And we took some pictures. I didn't love. It was $65. Kind of pricey. What do you think? But I guess it's an actual crew neck, like a sweater. I like it.
Oh, blood.
Oh shit, blood. Just your casual blood on the floor. People got excited.